Hi, my name's Brandi Swindler and I am in the Vision Care Technician program. I've always known that I wanted to do a career where I helped people. I was going through a really tough season in life and my life had gotten pretty out of control. I got into recovery and I decided I really wanted to make a change and I wanted to help people the way that I had been helped. I have completely turned my life around. And I mean, I was lost completely. I found the Vision Care program at CV Tech. I didn't know anything about eye care or what it entailed. I was still kind of unsure if, is this really where I want to go in healthcare? I knew I wanted healthcare, but eyes, and then you get hooked. And all of a sudden, everything, your eyes are your main focus. You're looking at them all the time. Working in this program, getting the knowledge and the skill base has prepared me to go forth into our career field. I work as an ophthalmic technician. I have learned how to take visual acuity. I have learned how to check pupils, check eye pressure. I will be ready to take my COA by the time I graduate from this program. People come in and they're stressed and they're worried about their vision, and we see a lot of, hard cases. So going in knowledgeable and very attentive and caring, because at the end of the day, we are all humans and we all need to support one another. I've learned how to have faith that I'm capable of doing these things. And also I've learned all of the skills that I need to be successful in this career and to be a very strong technician. I got in here and I just gave everything I had to this program, and my whole life has changed. I'm able to take care of not just myself, but my children. I'm able to show up as the mom that they deserve today. And it's all thanks to being in recovery and then also choosing this program and having the support that I have from the school. It's so much more than just academic help. They really care about me as a person and they've helped me accomplish a lot of my goals. If you dedicate yourself to this program, you can do anything that your mind wants. Like, you are so capable, and this program really helps you learn everything you need to know to step out and be a successful part of the workforce.